The human biofield, electric and plasmic alternation. The human biofield is not a vague cloud of energy. It is a highly ordered, multidimensional architectural structure. Within this structure, the layers of the field alternate between electric and plasmic states. Each layer expresses a distinct function of consciousness. The electric layers hold the mental field, while the plasmic layers hold the emotional field. Let us begin with plasma. Plasma is the fourth state of matter, composed of free electrons and ions. Because it carries charge, plasma conducts electricity and interacts dynamically with electromagnetic fields. When it flows, plasma generates magnetic resonance. In the cosmos, plasma, the stars, auroras, and interstellar space. In the human being, it forms the living medium of the emotional field. The electric layers, by contrast, are structured and signal-like. They correspond to the mental field. These layers transmit thought, concept, and structured information in the same way that neurons transmit electrical impulses. They provide clarity, precision, and coherence to awareness. The plasmic layers are different in quality. They are fluid, wave-like, and radiant. They correspond to emotion. Emotional energy moves as arcs and currents, expanding and contracting with intensity and resonance. When these currents flow, they generate magnetic harmonics that create the palpable aura of feeling. What we experience as emotional magnetism is, in fact, the natural magnetic field produced by moving plasma. Together, these layers form an alternating rhythm, electric, then plasmic, then electric again. This alternation is essential. It ensures that the human system does not become rigid with too much structure, nor diffuse with too much fluidity. The electric layers anchor clarity of thought. The plasmic layers radiate waves of feeling. The two interlocked, creating a coherent field of mind and emotion, working together as one system. Through this alternation, the human biofield stabilizes consciousness. The electric mental layers refine thought into precise clarity. The plasmic emotional layers distribute charge into resonance, giving rise to connection, empathy, and attraction. The result is a living architecture of light, balance between signal and wave, structure and flow, order and radiance. When we understand the biofield in this way, we see that mind and emotion are not separate domains. They are complementary phases of one unified system. The mental layers transmit, the emotional layers envelop. The alternation between them produces coherence, and coherence is what allows the Lightbody to function as an instrument of higher intelligence. The human biofield is therefore an elegant design, alternating bands of electric and plasmic states woven together into a living system that both stabilize and express consciousness. It is through this architecture that thought becomes clear, feelings become radiant, and the fullness of human awareness is embodied in coherence.